All right, folks. Late in the day on Wednesday, I've done a whole lot of nothing again today. Oil down 150, pretty much where it was this morning, 124.30. You can see here I've brought up a cash index of the S&P 500. This is the SPX, not the futures that I usually trade and talk about. These you can see, this is a weekly chart going all the way back to early, really the end of '02. So we're going back nearly 5 years, actually almost 6 years now in the chart, 5.5 years. The trend was clearly broken. And you can see where that price was, where that trend broke. It was right here where we are right now, 1416. Is this an important number? And is there a reason why we've been battling here? Absolutely. Here we go. The high was 1573. The low was 1251 and change. 57 and change, excuse me. The midpoint is right here at 14, let's call it 1420. So we are right on that number. As you see, I just highlighted it right there. That is the 50%. I could see us going to 1450 and still being underneath the broken trend line now. So here's the line I'm looking at. There's two. There's one trend here, and there's another bigger one above here. So again, I could see us rallying even as high as 1480 and still maintaining my bearish posture on the SPX cash. So we are at 1420. Your upside, again, for the bears, if you're going to get bearish up into that spot, I think you've got about 60 points or about 4.5–5%. After that, if we get over that 1480 and close, we'll probably most likely go back and test that 1573 if we are to go higher. So that is it. There is really not a lot new to report. We've had the CPI, market perceived it as good. We've had a trend day up today all day, but we are starting to tip over here in the end of the day. So I'd keep that in mind. The 10-minute moving average is about to cross the 40 on a 5-minute chart on the SPX. It has not. It's been in the uptrend all day. So, but that could change here by the end of the day. Here it is, 12:05. We've got an hour and 15 left for futures markets to trade. We are now back below the R2, and your RSI is sliding off. You have a divergence in the RSI this afternoon, actually, where you had a lower RSI and a higher price in the stock here, which typically means it might be a good entry. That may have been a good short entry up there at 1421. Here we are at 1417 in a quarter. We'll see where we end. We'll be back tomorrow. Have yourself a great afternoon, and be careful out there.